How to fix direct message option not showing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Before getting into the solution, first thing you need to know that there are age restriction on TikTok. It's important that your age must be above 18 years and only the DM option will be available, otherwise it won't appear on your TikTok. So let's get started. What you need to do is clear TikTok has. Tap and hold on TikTok application and select I button. From the app info page, tap storage users and tap clear cache to clear all the glitches. Now come back and now launch TikTok app. Make sure to log into your account and proceed towards profile at bottom right. Tap three line icon at top right and tap setting and privacy. Now choose privacy option and here tap allow direct messages from and make sure that you make it to everyone so that you can receive the DM from everyone and you can even direct message to everyone on TikTok. But in some cases, maybe due to the privacy setting of the users, they might have not allowed DM option from everyone. So let's open a particular profile here. And here you can see the option of message. Open it and here you can easily direct message this user. But in some cases, even if you get the DM option, the message might not be sent. In that case, tap profile icon at bottom right. Now head towards three line icon at top right and tap setting and privacy. Scroll to the bottom and tap report a problem. Again, scroll to the bottom of the screen and tap on chat with us and enter the message that the DM option is not showing. And here you will get different kinds of solution. You can easily open a particular link and view the solution. After that, you can easily fix this issue. So I hope this guide helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.